the energy thing I was talking about. So one way to go in is to touch the mind itself, like breathing techniques. You right away start watching your breath, and right away you connected with the mind, because breath and mind are connected very much. And by and by watching the breath, you are watching the mind, and it settles down by itself. It's just the inner law. Watching is settling, relaxing, resting of the mind. Just need to give attention to it. Another is directly touching the consciousness. That's an even deeper technique. It doesn't work for everyone, but we are all different. It's not the same thing is for the same person. For you something else can work, for me something else. So it doesn't have to be that you go through the body. Like yoga techniques, hatha yoga, they want to reach the same center of that circle through body postures. Certain body posture they find out that they align so perfectly with the energy system of the body that they go into that center right away. So they try the body posture for that. And some techniques, mostly Buddhist techniques, they use the mind, they use the breath to go into that center of consciousness. And there are other techniques that directly work on the consciousness. Now, mind is connected, how I said that body is and the mind are connected through the breath. That's like a bridge between the body and the mind. The mind is connected to the consciousness through energy, and that cannot be. At least breath we can say, okay, I'm breathing. I cannot say I'm energizing. There is no way to tell. You can say that today I feel more energetic, someday I don't feel more energetic, but that's that you can feel it, but I can't prove it. Nobody can prove that you have energy. They tried it with when the body died. They weighed the body, they put it in a vacuum sealed container, and they weighed the whole container in the body before the person died and after the person died, and see the weight, and it actually changed. So they thought, okay, something left the body, we don't know what it is. So that's what consciousness is. It may not even have weight, but they tried to prove it with some experiment many years ago. There's probably no way to find out scientifically that there is something like consciousness, but that's what. And energy as well. Energy is the way for the mind and body to touch the consciousness. And in our body, there's constantly flow of energy. There is more energy flow in certain areas of the bodies that they call chakras. I don't know if you have heard of those. They even paint different colors and they make it like seven.
That's what I was
okay.
looking. Yeah.
Some people say 9. So 7 is like the yogi of the Indian area in Nepal, India. That area were doing with 7. They worked with 7